This multi-game table packs 10 classic games into one footprint, so a single piece of furniture can keep both kids and adults entertained for a long time. The interchangeable tops let you switch between billiards, slide hockey, foosball, table tennis, and more without any tools, which makes spontaneous game changes easy during family gatherings. Despite offering so many activities, the table is compact enough for a typical playroom or bedroom, and the surfaces nest together neatly when you are not using them. The frame feels solid for a family game table, with 4 sturdy legs and non-slip feet that help keep the action steady even when competitive matches get a little intense. It comes with a surprisingly complete accessory set, so you can play every included game right away without hunting down extra cues, paddles, balls, or pieces. For households that want a variety of games but do not have space for separate tables, this combination setup delivers a lot of fun and flexibility in a single, well-thought-out package.